If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time you drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
We've all chugged vodka down our systems plenty of times, but did you know vodka has various beauty benefits? Many centuries ago, vodka was used more for medicine and less for enjoyment. Surely, guzzling down this spirit might not help your waistline, but vodka will definitely come handy if used the right way. Hi, I'm Rosalind, and today I'm going to reveal 3 amazing beauty benefits of none other than vodka. I'm sure after watching this video, vodka will become a part of your beauty regime. Toners are a must for every beauty routine, especially if you have an oily skin type. They help control excess sebum production and also deeply cleanse the skin. Try out this breakout preventing vodka based toner, which is super easy to make and also delivers great results. All you need is 1 tablespoon of vodka, 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of watermelon juice, 3 drops of patchouli essential oil. Vodka makes a great homemade toner as it works as an astringent which helps unclog pores and brightens your skin. Adding watermelon juice will help reduce excess oils and cure skin problems such as acne, early signs of aging, etc. In addition, the patchouli essential oil will encourage new cell growth and reduce the appearance of scars. This magical toner will help maintain skin's pH balance and protect it from further damage. I personally love DIY beauty days as they give me the feels of a spa from the comfort of my home. So on days when you have a dull or tired looking skin, this vodka infused recipe is a must try. The ingredients of this mask are enriched with vitamins and antioxidants that instantly rejuvenates the skin and brings back its radiance. You will need 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of vodka, leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. You'll notice that your skin gets back its glow and feels soft. Due to humid weather conditions and constant sweating, wearing close footwear can result in unpleasant foot odor. So, this DIY will help you keep your feet clean and fresh all the time. Add some vodka to a cup of cold water. Take some cotton and swipe it along your feet. The antiseptic properties of vodka destroy odor-causing bacteria and fungus and also maintain skin's moisture levels. So the next time you write off vodka as just another bar staple, give these 3 beauty tricks a try. If you have any further queries, do drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.